Hi Neetu. Okay, I was finding it challenging to paint the brownish yellow trees. Okay, first let's understand the light source. So the light is like it is afternoon light. It is really warm, and if this is all warm color, orange, yellow, a bit of brown, this is all gray, and then we have some portion which is in between, right? So the entire mountain is divided into three portions, and we have some local colors. So everything which is below is of a light gray, and as it is going back or back in the deep, it is turning dark. Now, because we are able to see the strong light is also hitting um, the trees. We can see a lot of yellow ochre and Alison Crimson, warm browns going around here. So this was fine, but in contrast to this, you actually took the mountains towards a brownish tone rather than a grayish. So what you need to do is take some oil, mix a bluish gray color, less blue, more gray. Mm, and very thin paint, and just apply one coat all over, so that these values which are going towards the brown, which are going warmer, will turn bit cooler or will be neutral, so that this seems to be the light. Right here now, we are a bit confused about the light source, how warm the light is. So to show how warm this is, you need to mute this down, you need to make this cool. For the trees, so when you are painting trees, and not all trees but only the front portion is being hit by the same value and same color as the mountain cliffs. So what you need to do is you need to paint all the trees as it is. The underneath layer or should be warm of the tree. So if the think about color theory complementary chart. So for this green, the complementary would be somewhere hot pink, or so you need to mix a pink color which is leaning towards brown and is transparent. So alizarin crimson with little burnt sienna. Just paint the underneath or these shapes with with that color. Over that, then you can paint these greens on all the portion, and then over the greens, leaving the green part, you paint these yellow. So we have the underneath color which is the alizarin crimson with a bit brown and possible some yellow ochre to get the exact tone. We have all the trees painted in that color. We'll preserve those browns at some places like here, this, and then paint remaining green, and then we'll preserve some of the greens and some of those browns, and remaining will paint this yellow ochreish color. So that way you'll get, and when we do that, you need to think about these form shadows also. So we have a darker green as well, and 4 to 5 values, and you'll get the uh, exact colors and values. Now about texture, so you need to use a fan brush to have these textures, just strokes. You can use a fan brush or any fine brush, a flat brush, so that you can have strokes to build these textures. Also, don't be afraid in using a lot of color on your palette, and this is quite dark in comparison to the values going around here. So you really need to darken the house because this is the closest to you. So amount of the color, the amount of the details will be most in the house. This will be very much finished. This will be okay finished. This will be not so detailed, but yes, the values must match.